Welcome food lovers! My name is Joy, and with this channel, I want to share my love for Filipino food with you. When I was 12 years old, I started cooking to help my parents while working on the farm. Into this video, we'll make adobong sitaw sa gata or string beans, adobo and coconut milk. I enjoy a tangy flavor, therefore, I like to add some extra vinegar to my string beans adobo. You can always use less vinegar if you prepare. I recommend adding a lot of onion and garlic to this recipe to make it even more delicious. This recipe should take you about 20 minutes of preparation time. For this recipe, we will need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 whole garlic bulb, smashed and peeled, 6 pieces of small onions chopped, 16 ounces of string beans cut into 2-inch length, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of white vinegar, 5 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of pepper. Recipe steps. Start by heating an 11-inch casserole on low heat. Add the oil. Once the oil is heated, add the garlic and saute them for about 2 minutes until golden. Add the onions and saute until golden. Add the string beans and saute them for about 2 minutes until brown. Add the coconut milk, soy sauce, and vinegar. Bring to a boil. Add the pepper and the bay leaves. Cover the casserole and cook for about 5 minutes until the string beans soften. Your adobong sitaw sa gata is now ready to be served. This dish is best served immediately while still hot with steamed rice, quinoa, or mashed potatoes. You can keep leftovers in the refrigerator for about 3 to 5 days. Thank you for watching and enjoy your meal.